Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Google Play Store. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your region on Play Store. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open the Play Store on your device and tap your profile at the top right. On the pop-up, tap Settings. Here, tap General and select Account and Device Preferences. Now you must add a payment method. While adding the payment method, select the region you want and proceed with your payment details. If you already have a payment method, remove it and add a new payment method with the region you want. And that's how you change your region on Play Store. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.